Hey, do atheists go to hell?
No.
How about people who say they are not religious, but they are spiritual?
Straight to hell. To the boiler room of hell. All the way down. Sometimes I pull them out just so they think everything is going to be okay, but then I put them right back in.
Good.
The only B word that I call my mom is Beelzebub. She's a literal demon. It's so scary. She's so mean and scary. Somebody help me. I'm so scared.
Remember, no matter what they say, no matter how low you feel, you are beautiful. And you know why? Because you were made in my father's image. What the fuck is that? Oh my dad, why would you make such a thing? That's it, get me off this planet right now.
You're joking. Not another one? Oh, for God's sake, I can't stand this.
Okay. Throw it back. Start a riot. Throw it back. Start a riot. Throw it back. Start a riot. I call that a fucking kickback. Start a riot. Yes, he got a bitch.
Hey! Hooker, how you doing? What you doing here?
I work here.
Oh, no the hell you don't.
Oh, yes, the hell I do too, you ugly bitch. You need to make peace with that.
Shit. Sam must have lost his damn mind, because you should not be allowed to work in no situation where you actually got to interact with people.
That is so not true.
And why aren't you in uniform?
We like bitch as long as I could bust nuts fast. We don't give a fuck about no bitch. We don't give a fuck about no bitch. We don't give a fuck about no bitch. And if I was you, I wouldn't kiss her.
So the rule is, everybody, the rule is the longer you deal with demons, they don't scare you. They just make you angry!
Your kind and my kind have been going after each other for centuries. Though it is kind of like a hammer going after a nail.
Oh, you're a what? A witch? Oh, how dreadful. Oh, the sin. I shall pray for your soul.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, save your breath, Karen. I'm going to hell.
Mm-hmm. For all y'all talkers up in here, it's time to keep it down right now.
Don't ever laugh as a hearse goes by, for you may be the next to die. They wrap you up in bloody sheets to drop you 6 feet underneath.
Yourself. Well, I'm normally polite, but if somebody irritates me, I'll just simply turn around and tell them to fuck off.
You've beaten me at my own game.
Don't flatter yourself. You were never even a player.
Oh, God, what a bitch. She's so fucking awesome.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you.
You could not live with your own failure. Where did that bring you? Back to me.
Hey, how y'all?
Get your fucking dog, bitch!
It don't bite.
Yes, it do!
You're mine for life. Got it? And if I ever catch you looking at anyone else, I'll blow 'em to bits.